Assalamu alaikum guys, welcome back to my new video. Today I will be teaching you guys how to convert decimal into binary. So first of all, take the question. I will take question 13. Base 10 means it's decimal, and I will convert that into base power 2. So take that 13 form of LCM, and as we are converting into base power 2, so we will divide this into divided by power 2. So as it will give one remainder, and 6, as 12 will be divided by 2, it will give us 6. Then again we will divide that 2 with 6 with 2, then it will provide us remainder 0, and next it will give us question 3, and again 3 will be divided by 2, it will provide us remainder 1, and answer will be 1. Now while considering this value, we will take this will be the format to take the uh, least most and higher most answer. So it will be 1 1 0 1 base power. So it means that 13 power base 10 will be equals to 1101 base 2 in binary. So how we will do that in calculator? So as you will be having CASIO FX991EX plus, just take that calculator and press mode, and you will find the menu, and in menu you will find 4. You will press 4, you will get into this decimal binary basis form, and you will put the 13, and you will put equal, and it will take put the equal into decimal, as you will just as you are seeing here, decimal, hex, bind, and oct. So as in this tutorial I'm showing to you the to convert it decimal into binary. So I will just press this log button, so it will convert that decimal into binary. So this is the least most bit, and it is going towards higher bits. So 11101. So as we have find it from the other method 1101, and these are the just zeros as we are getting. So let's take one more question. I am taking 20 as other decimal question. Let's convert it into base of 2, means into binary. So again take that in form of LCM, and take that 20 and divide it with the 2, as we have to convert it in the base of 2. So 2, it will provide us 0, and remainder will be 0. Again it is divisible by 2, so again I will divide by 2, and it will provide us answer 5, and remainder will be 0. Again I will divide it by 2, so here it will provide us remainder 1, and this 4 will be divided by 2, it will provide us 2, and again I will divide that 2 by 2, it will give us 0, and remainder will be 0. So as I will follow the pattern, and I will put 1 0 1 0 1 0 0 base power 2. So 20 with the base power 10 will be equal to 10100 base power 2. So it will be in decimal converted into binary. So let's again take the calculator, and I will press on, and in modes again we will go in base 4, and just consider the 20 and press equals. It will provide us in form of decimal, and again I will go in binary, press the button log. It will provide us answer for the 20 decimal 10100 10100. So you can just have the two methods from where you will get your answer. and convert decimal into binary. So I will put 10100. So these are the two methods you can use to convert decimal into binary. Thank you for watching this video. If you like it, just like the video and follow and subscribe my channel for further more videos. Thank you.